Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your Conga 5090 and unplugging it from the charging dock. This is crucial for your safety during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover to expose the battery compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with the soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now you will see the battery connected to the device. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the device. Ensure that the connection is secure. After connecting the new battery, it's time to replace the cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is tightly fitted to avoid any issues during operation. If you're unsure about the battery type or need help sourcing a replacement, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get the right parts without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your battery needs. After securing the cover, turn the device back on and place it on the charging dock. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. This ensures that the new battery is properly calibrated and ready for optimal performance. Finally, if you encounter any issues during this process, or if the device does not operate as expected, remember that we offer a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Regular maintenance and timely battery changes can significantly extend the life of your Conga 5090, so it's worth taking the time to do it right. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.